Hi. So I'm gonna have Chetna, who's the education expert from Estee Lauder. So till the time she comes and join us, let's show some love. And have you been a part of the Generation ANR? Let me know in the comment section. Because today we're gonna talk about the new serum and what we can do with it. What are the benefits of using that serum? I'm really excited. So let's see if Chetna is here. Hi. Hey, what's up? Hey. What is up? Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. And yeah, I'm waiting for Chetna. Chetna, if you are here, send me a heart emoji. Hi, Aman. Hi, Nagma's family. So cute, yeah. You guys are so cute. नहीं, मैंने मेकअप नहीं किया है. So Chetna, who is from Estee Lauder, she's gonna join my live stream and together we're gonna show you how to create a no makeup look with the help of the new ANR. When are you returning back? It's a secret. No, I really don't know because we have a lot of work over here. So जैसे ही काम खत्म होगा, I'll be back. Hey Cutie Pie, what is up? Hi Angry Prash, Dubai is amazing. आ जाओ तुम भी यहाँ पे, बहुत मजा आएगा. नगमाज वर्ल्ड, क्यों नहीं हाय बोलूंगी, मैं सबको हाय बोलना चाहती हूँ बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं वैसे नहीं कर सकती. बट यस, प्लीज से परी. हाय परी, व्हाट इज अप? Okay, 1 second. I'm just typing something. What is up, guys? So we are gonna show you a beauty routine and you're gonna love it. Okay, wait, let me pin my comment. Woo! I'm done. So, what is up, guys? What is up? क्या चल रहा है लाइफ में आप सबके? Hi Mehak, hi, what is up? Hi Nagma Slayer. So basically what we're going to talk about is this new Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum and हम बताने वाले हैं कि आप इसको कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हो, क्या इसके benefits हैं and how this serum can change your skincare game. Trust me guys. So I'm just waiting for Chetna so then we can start the routine. Let's see if she is here. Yes, she is. I'm so sorry. I was not checking. Hi Nagma's world. Hi Chetna, what is up?
Hi, Nagma. So good to see you. How are you?
Same here. I'm doing great.
How's it going with you? I'm doing good. Very excited to be here with you. Hello, everyone.
Same here. So tell me something about this amazing thing, Chetna, because trust me, I am already I am in with this.
Yes, I know you've been using this for quite some time, and there is so much to tell about this product. I completely love it. There are so many people who love it already. I mean, The formulation has changed. There are so many new benefits with this, but the texture remains the same. So I definitely can't wait to tell everything about this and also take you through a beauty routine. I can see you've not done makeup. I've not done makeup. So,
Yes.
so we are going to do makeup together, and we're going to see how we're going to use the ANR along with the makeup and, induce it into our makeup routine, because it's a multi-purpose product as well.
I'm so sorry. My tripod just.
That happens. That happens. How is
Um,
it going with you? You tell me, how are you? What's your skin routine like now?
Skin routine. Basically, I wash my face, and the first thing I apply on my damp skin is obviously this serum. And to be very honest, Chetna, I don't want to exaggerate, but I've been using this since past 2 years, I guess. Not this one. I mean the old formula, and I have
Hmm.
recommended this to so many people. Like I've recommended it to Anam, like my best friend, and so many other girls, and they tried it and they are also in love with it. And I'm sure the new formula they'll love it even more. So please.
Yes, yes. Like
I,
similar to your story, my mom, she uses it and she loves it. And I've also been using this product for over 2 years. And my skin, I can't just live without this product anymore. It works so well. So
yes,
you can use it during the day. You can use it during the night. It's a super amazing product. And like I said, it's a multi-purpose one. So now, this one, I'll show you the texture as well, and I'll tell you, how that works. But to let you, give you a little bit of a brief about this product. Now, the new benefits are that it's firming, pore minimizing, and overnight radiance. That's what it does. So, isn't that great? Like pore minimizing.
amazing.
I can see I have some pores here, and that this works perfectly well now. The new formulation is superb.
Amazing. So, Chetna, I want to know what is the difference between the old ANR and the new one? Because I'm excited to know about the new advanced repair serum, like the formula and what we can expect from this, the new one.
So the new one, let me give you what's been consistent first. So the
Mm-hmm.
consistency here is that it's similar to the old one in terms of texture. So I'll show
Mm-hmm.
you the texture. Why don't you also add a little dropper on, your hand, and you'll be able to see the texture as well. So,
Yes.
so here, look at the texture. Super hydrating. And
Yes.
what's consistent here is that it's non-greasy, it's not at all oily, and it works for all skin types. It's very fast absorbing, and you can see that hydration on my skin there. Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
So now the difference is that this is going to add 72 hours of hydration to your skin.
Wow.
It's going to repair your skin faster during the night, and during the morning, it's going to take care of your skin for 8 hours against environmental stressors like pollution, UV rays. And even if you've not had like a good enough sleep, and you don't want to wake up with dehydrated skin or fatigued or tired looking skin, so this is going to add that hydration onto your skin and repair your skin faster. So,
Wow.
that's how it works. And this is the new benefit that the Advanced Night Repair has. Not just that, there is so much more, that it's sulfate free now. And
Wow.
like the previous one, yeah, absolutely, it's sulfate free. It's free of parabens, so it's good for sensitive skin. It's good for basically oily skin, dry skin as well. And so you, like I said, you can use it day and night, and the texture remains the same. So for everybody around here, who already love the Advanced Night Repair Serum, they don't have to worry, because the texture is oil-free, non-greasy, and the same texture as the old Advanced Night Repair Serum.
Exactly, because people have this, assumption that you cannot apply serum on oily skin. I feel that it's a wrong thing to do because serum, especially this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum, it works
Yeah.
amazing even on oil. Because I've seen people who have like a lot of acne or oily skin, they have seen a lot of difference on their skin with the use of the serum.
Yeah,
So,
rightly
and
said. You can, anyone with oily skin can use it because it's non-acnegenic. It's not going to clog the pores, and it's not even going to leave that greasy feel on the skin. Yeah, absolutely. And it's fast absorbing, so it's going to work from the deeper levels of the skin. Yeah, you can see that it's gone. Yay, it's gonna, because I use a little bit more. So yeah, there you go. And I can feel it, like it's so soft, very comfortable on the skin as well there.
Soft, soft. So I had issue of dry skin, and I absolutely love how hydrating this is. Like I can
Yeah.
actually feel the plumpness of my skin for, like, if I apply it at night, I wake up with really flushed out, like, skin.
Yeah.
And that's why I love about it. So can
No,
you
I
tell me about
totally agree with you.
ingredients in it, and what is the benefit of that particular ingredient? I think you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, good question, Nagma. This advanced night repair serum has got concentrated levels of hyaluronic acid in it. So that is like a moisture magnet. But before I tell you more about it, let me show it to you how it works. Now, let me just add a bit more on this hand. And so what I'm going to do here is spray water on this hand and spray water on the untreated hand as well. So
Okay.
you'll see the difference. So you can see
Mm-hmm.
that the water on the untreated hand is rolling all the way down to my arm. But
Yeah.
here, the water is clinging on to the treated hand because it's got advanced night repair on it. And that's the magic of hyaluronic acid. It's like a moisture magnet. It's going to, create a perfect environment for your skin to repair itself. And that's the power of hyaluronic acid. It's going to add 72 hours of hydration to the skin, keep your skin very, like, with overnight radiance. You'll wake up with that healthy, youthful, beautiful looking skin the next day. So you can see it clearly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The water not
Yeah.
even dripping. It's not even dripping.
No, not at all. It's all up till here. So the water is all here.
Wow.
Isn't
I
that
can't
amazing?
stop saying wow.
Do we have any questions from the audience?
Any questions regarding this? Chetna is here to answer it all. Till the time we'll start off with the routine. अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन है इस सीरम के बारे में, आप पूछ सकते हो कमेंट सेक्शन में. We'll try to answer them all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
So let's start.
Let's start, Nagma. So I'm going to show you how I apply it. Let's take a full dropper of the serum first. So my skin I've cleansed my skin and my hands are sanitized. For cleansing my skin, I started off by using the Perfectly Clean cleanser. I just love this. It's very gentle and good for dry, sensitive skin as well. It works perfectly well for me. Not just that, you can use this cleanser as like a mask also. So you can use it like mask all over your skin for about like twice in a week, and it works perfectly well. So that's what I've done. I've cleansed my skin. Now let's take a full dropper of the Advanced Night Repair Serum, and I'm going to show you how to apply it.
1 second, guys. Can you hear? Some people are saying they can't hear me. Just confirm if you can hear us or no, so we can move forward.
Yeah.
Guys, I guess they can. Some people can't. I guess. Yeah, they can hear us. Okay. Okay, let's
Great.
yeah.
Right. So I've taken the full dropper, Nagma. There you go. Just warm it up. And what you have to do is start from the center in a heart shape. So we start here and we go all the way to the chin.
Okay.
Doesn't that feel good?
Wow. So
And from the forehead all the way to the chin again.
Wow.
Repeat that. It feels so nice. You know, this way of applying the advanced night repair is going to take care of any puffiness or enhance microcirculation as well. So which that helps to release toxins from your skin. So and just apply the excess on the neck.
So what is
This
this?
is called this is called the signature heart ritual,
Oh wow.
because it's all about loving your skin here. You're taking care of your skin. So you just need to apply it. There you go.
Wow.
Yeah. So after cleansing, apply the serum. And the third step, I could read someone's comment here. They were asking that if they can apply a moisturizer after this. Very important to lock the benefits of the Advanced Night Repair Serum, Nagma. So the third step will be to add moisturizer on the skin.
Okay.
So I'm going to use Revitalizing Supreme here. Which one have you got? Yay. So let's do that. Take a bit of the moisturizer.
So guys, now we are using Revitalizing Supreme Plus from Estee Lauder. And
Very nourishing moisturizer. This is, you'll see how, it just adds that bit of hydration. And not just that, it's going to also take care of dehydration, uneven skin tone, or loss of firmness as well from the skin.
wow. So Chetna, many people ask me where can they find Estee Lauder products online?
So they can shop from our online portals, from Nykaa online, Shopperstop online, Sephora, Myntra. So these are available there.
Wow. And guys, they also have a smaller bottle, which comes in a 7 ml bottle, which comes for rupees 1250. So if in case you want to try, you can go for it, because I know वो small bottle लगता है, but वो बहुत time तक चलता है, because you need a very little quantity every day, and you guys should try. So my skin is now all set.
All set. We've prepped our skin with Advanced Night Repair Serum and the moisturizer. Now, Nagma, next let's move on to adding some makeup. So for
Yes.
that, we're going to use a double wear stay in place foundation. Yeah. Tell me how often do you use it and how do you like using it?
I love this foundation. I love this foundation. I like personally feel that, when I want a very less coverage, I apply a very little amount of this. But when I want high coverage, then also this foundation is the best. It stays for so long without getting patchy or without getting, oxidized. And that is the best thing I like about this foundation. And it's very light on the skin. So,
Yeah,
yay for
absolutely. Yes. So let's take a little amount. And what we are going to do here is we're going to do it a bit differently. We're going to take one dropper of the foundation and one dropper of the Advanced Night Repair. So let's mix it and show everyone the look we get by mixing the two.
Okay.
So take a small amount of the double wear. So like you said, Nagma, this is like 24-hour long wear foundation without it getting, sweat. It's like sweat resistant. It's going to stay true to color for 24 hours and medium to full coverage with the semi-matte finish.
So I mixed the serum with the foundation.
Okay. So do you like applying it with the brush, or you just like using it, blending it with the fingers?
I use my
You like
fingers.
using
I kind of blend it with the blender.
Okay, so that's how you use it. So that's the kind of blended look that you get. Yeah.
So more of a no makeup look, right? Like very
Absolutely.
minimal.
Very minimal.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why do I think I've taken a lot of foundation?
It's okay. So since you've mixed it with ANR, it's going to get blended fast. So you can just, just try and blend it and then mix it with. If you want, you can add a little more ANR as well.
Wow. It's gliding on so smoothly on my skin.
Yeah.
So people who don't actually want to use foundation as a foundation, they can
They
do this.
can.
Like it's
Yeah.
kind of using a BB cream.
Absolutely. Yeah. It gives you the effect of that as well. And for someone, who likes to use a little more intense and little heavier coverage, they'll get that because this is like a medium to heavy coverage also.
इतना बच भी गया है, so wow. I'll just blend it with the sponge.
Yeah. It's looking super nice. I can see your skin all covered beautifully.
Yeah, and I didn't even need a lot of product for it.
Yeah. Super easy to blend, and you don't even really have to spend too much time into just getting that perfect look. So you know what? After I add it and I blend it onto my skin, I just like to press it into my skin as well, so it warms up the product and helps in.
Really?
That's another technique. Yeah. So with the warmth of your fingers, it kind of just warms it up and helps to
Guys, I'm so
melt
sorry.
the foundation. There you go.
Wow.
Yeah. Looks amazing.
Feels amazing too.
Yeah.
So light on the skin, yeah.
Yeah, it is. It is very light.
I can put the remaining one on my neck.
Yeah, you can just bring it down the neck.
So
This really
wow. So this will also help me with all the pollution or different things which actually affect our skin when you go outdoors. So this will help, right?
Yeah, so now that you've got a double dose of ANR, of course, your ANR is acting as prepping your skin. And of course, you've added it as a skincare step as well. So it's going to prep your skin. It's, like kind of giving you that dewy finish with your foundation as well. So it works perfectly well with your makeup and as a skin routine. And like we said, we promised everyone we're going to show how we're going to use it in multiple ways. So this is one way of creating that BB cream effect that you said.
Yes.
So that's
So
how it.
see how smooth my skin looks. So I have no filter on, nothing, and you can see. Wow.
Yep.
It's not patchy or very drying. So
Not
that's
at all. Your skin is looking beautiful. Yeah.
Yes. So let's move ahead.
Let's move on to our next step. I'm going to add. I'm going to use this lipstick. It's called the Pure Color Envy Dynamic shade. I'm going to add this on my lips, and I'm going to also create a blush with it, and show the audience how we can use the Advanced Night Repair Serum to highlight as well.
So I have this shade with me called Carnal. It's in 520. So I'll just use a little bit of it to get that natural look. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna.
My hair is acting crazy. And for the blush as well, you can either like take it on your hand first.
Wow. Really?
Yeah. And then you can just add it like a blush on the cheeks.
Oh, so we have to add the ANR on top of the
You
lipstick.
can mix it. Yeah, that's another way. So you can take it on the hand and mix ANR with it. That will also reduce the intensity of the color of the lipstick that you have with you. Yeah. So that will help with that. Otherwise, if you have like a muted color, which I have with me, I just
Mhm.
apply it all over like a blush, and then I can use the highlight Advanced Night Repair Serum as a highlighter, which I'm going to show you. I'm going to add a bit more. The color is looking amazing.
It looks so natural. So it's like you can do so many things with just one single product.
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely right.
And that too, ये करते करते you are just doing good for your skin. It's not that it's harming your skin in any way. In fact, you're doing
Yeah.
good for your skin. Wow. So many people think that, whenever like I have to get ready every day and apply makeup. So they always ask
Yeah.
this question. आपकी skin खराब नहीं होती आप इतना makeup लगाती हो? So
Yeah.
for them, I want that you have to take care of your skin. It's not that you can just directly apply makeup. आपको मेकअप से पहले
Yes.
भी ये तो हमने अभी स्टेप्स दिखाए हैं. अगर आप ये सब करोगे सो मेकअप से आपकी स्किन खराब भी नहीं होगी बल्कि ये चीजें लगाने से योर स्किन विल बिकम बेटर and it will be protected. So yeah,
So
yay.
your blush is looking amazing. Yeah, you mix the two. So what I'm going to show here is what you have done is one technique. This is another technique where I'm going to just add the Advanced Night Repair to highlight. So I've done the blush, but I'm just going to highlight my cheekbone area as well.
Wow, I can
So
see
that
that.
also gives a very nice dewy finish. Add a bit here. And
Wow,
even at the brown area, you can highlight with that.
I'll do that too.
Yeah. Super fun. This is. I think I'll go overboard with my highlighting, so I need to stop myself. Do you often go overboard with highlighting? I
See
just
the
once I start, I go over and over with it. Can't just stop.
Yeah, it gives a very good glow to your skin, a very fresh, dewy look. Even I
Yeah.
like that.
Nice. Right. Okay. So we're done with our skin,
Yes.
and now let's move on to the eyes. For that, let's use Onyx, which is a double wear stay in place kajal pencil, and
Okay.
I'm going to also add the Sumptuous Extreme mascara to complete the look.
Yes. So I have the Sumptuous Rebel Length Plus Lift mascara.
Okay, yeah, you're going to use that. So that's how intense black the pencil is, and very long wearing also.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do here is you can, Nagma, even use it like a kajal
Mhm.
pencil, or you can even draw a beautiful liner with it. We are going to do today is apply it and smudge it so we get like a soft, smudgy liner look.
Wow. So I have this one, the pen
You have the
liner. So
liner. You have the liner look.
yeah. So
Okay,
I'll
so
just
you are.
edges a little bit and to keep the look natural till the time you show the audience how we can create that smoky look. Yeah.
Yeah, done. So what I'm going to do here is just roughly draw very close to my lash line.
Wow.
Is it
Just
like super intense and very long wearing, and it also has a smudging smudger at the end, which I'm going to use to just smudge it slightly. There you go. So you don't have to, worry about getting a perfect liner in the look that the technique that I'm doing. So you just draw it close to the lash line and smudge it quickly with the smudger.
Wow. So I'm learning
So
all this
Nagma,
from you.
do you prefer like a thicker liner, or you're happy with like a very thin liner for you?
So I'm a big fan of wing eyeliners, and my audience have always seen me with like a proper perfect wing with a thick band, with a thick eyeliner band. So I
Okay.
kind of thick eyeliners, but some days when I don't feel like doing a lot of makeup, I go for, see, I've just done it on the
Yeah.
ends. So I
Yeah, it's
like it
looking
this.
very. You
So
like
it
it
gives
like that?
you
Okay.
like natural look.
Ah, right. Just going to tight line a bit. Now, I'm also like a big fan of your pretty fix routines.
Oh, so sweet. So the good news, I'm gonna come up with a pretty fixed part two because it's not like recently I've stopped making the series, so I'm gonna come up with the second season. You can say. So there's
Amazing.
and trust me, even in the pretty fixed videos, I have mentioned about the ANR.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. You have right. Great. Okay. So let's complete the look, Nagma, with the mascara.
Ooh, mascara definitely completes the look.
Yeah. Opens up the eye as well.
So guys, tell me what kind of eyeliner do you like? You like thick liners or thin liners? Comment में बताओ मुझे कि आपको कैसे टाइप का आई मेकअप पसंद है एंड आपको मुझ पे क्या पसंद आता है वो भी बता दो सो दैट यू नो आई क्रिएट मोर ऑफ इट.
You can see the difference. How amazingly, like, it opens up the eye.
या
एंड मेकअप एकदम कंप्लीट हो जाता है इतना हैवी आई मेकअप करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट लुक्स सो नेचुरल इज वेल. समटाइम्स जब जूम कॉल्स है, फ्रेंड्स के साथ कॉल है, you have your family calls online on virtually, and you just want to add that little makeup and your skin should look healthy. Just you can complete your look with this kind of technique that we've shown today.
आफ्टर ऑल दिस थिंग तो हम तो आजकल ज्यादा वर्चुअली एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं तो ये सब
Yeah.
इट्स सो इजी टू अप्लाई यू नो मिनिमल मेकअप एंड स्टिल लुक गुड.
Yeah,
Don't actually need
absolutely.
do a full face makeup when you
Yeah.
have a video call or a virtual meeting.
बिल्कुल.
Hi guys, any questions you can please comment below. हम लोग जितना हो सके आपको मैसेज आपका कमेंट का रिप्लाई ट्राई करेंगे. अब हमसे भी बात कर लो. अरे आपसे भी बात करेंगे हम. So basically this video is to this live stream is to show you guys how you can get benefit with a single product. तो आपको हमने दिखाया कि हमने इसको स्किन केयर में यूज किया, हमने अपने मेकअप में भी यूज किया. हाउ अमेजिंग द रिजल्ट इज. सो चेतना, one more thing. So I've heard that this product has this Chronolox power signal technology. So what is it exactly? Because I'm really confused.
So Power Signal technology is like an exclusive technology which the Advanced Night Repair Serum has. And simple language में ये आपकी skin को firm करता है. And it also helps to renew your cells. Skin का cells को renew करता है and helps to add fresh new cells to your skin. तो उससे क्या होता है? Your skin feels firmer, your skin looks healthy, and this happens in the night. And इंटरेस्टिंग बात यह है कि स्किन your skin is always working, your skin is always like during the night, your skin is trying to repair itself. Or जब ये repair process होता है, skin loses a lot of moisture. And you really want to take care of that. You want to let your skin repair itself. So in the night, this Chronolux power signal technology, this helps to add that protection, helps your skin to repair itself. And along with that, it gives that firmness and boost the collagen in your skin, which is very, very important to add that structure and that firmness to your skin as well. So you feel that little bounce when you wake up, you get that healthy feel to your skin.
तो चेतना, मुझे बताओ कि ये प्रोडक्ट नहीं करता है. Basically, almost everything. So
Yeah.
And I always feel that whenever you want to or you have a need to invest something for your skin, please guys go for it, because your skin will thank you later. And I feel that ये प्रोडक्ट आपके सारे स्किन केयर रिलेटेड इश्यूज जो भी है उन सब के लिए आई फील दिस इज परफेक्ट. पर्सनली इट्स माय फेवरेट.
Yes.
अगेन आई विल टेल यू दैट यू गेट अ 7 ml बॉटल. मतलब ये इतनी बड़ी बॉटल, अगर आपको लगता है कि आई जस्ट वांट टू गिव इट अ ट्राई, पहले मैं ट्राई करके देखना चाहती हूँ या चाहता हूँ, because I guess Chetna, this can be applied by all genders, right?
Absolutely. Even guys, you can use it. Girls, you can use it. It works so well on everybody, and sabki skin ko that it will give that healthy glow. So guys and girls, you both can use it.
So you can go for the 7 ml bottle, which is for rupees 1250, and it's available on Nykaa, Shoppers Stop, Myntra, and the Estee Lauder website. You can go there, you can order it for yourself. घर पे डिलीवरी हो जाएगी. आप लगाओ मस्त, अपनी स्किन का ध्यान रखो, because I feel that is a must.
Yeah, and also Nagma, just to add, ये इंडियन स्किन पे भी टेस्ट किया गया है, एंड टेस्ट रिजल्ट्स शो करते हैं जो हमने अभी दिखाया है कि एक ड्रॉपर में इतना हाइड्रेशन मिलता है आपकी स्किन को, एंड योर स्किन इज लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल. सो 3 weeks में इट हेल्प्स टू मेंटेन योर स्किन, और जो भी मैंने बोला, फॉर्मिंग, पोर मिनिमाइजिंग, एंड गिविंग यू दैट, maintaining your skin with that healthy glow, is going to do that in 3 weeks. So 1 dropper works, and 3 weeks mein it's going to help your skin with firming as well. So it's tested on Indian skin, and sab log use kar sakte hain with different skin types, whether it's oily, dry, or sensitive skin. It works so well on everybody.
So that's the amazing part, because हमारी इंडियन स्किन बहुत ही ज्यादा डिफरेंट होती है. हमारे इंडिया का वेदर भी बहुत अलग होता है, लाइक बहुत है, एंड उसकी वजह से को हाइड्रेशन की जरूरत होती है, विच हमें लगता है कि नहीं, हमें स्वेट आ रहा है मतलब हमारी स्किन हाइड्रेट है, विच इज आई फील इज अ रॉन्ग थिंग टू assume. So
no, yeah, it's an incorrect thing to assume, right?
Yes. So again, I will tell you guys कि please try this product and you will love it. Trust me, it helps to solve so many skincare related problems. अगर आपको acne का भी issue है, pigmentation और मे बी ड्राइंग स्किन, तो इस सब के लिए ये काम आता है. एंड चेतना, आई कांट स्टॉप raving अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट, ट्रस्ट मी. प्लीज.
Yeah.
वो बोल दिया है कि प्लीज यही खरीदो, एंड सब मुझे बोलते हैं कि क्या मतलब, क्या तुझे क्या पसंद है. आई एम लाइक नहीं, बिकॉज पीपल से अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स अबाउट माय स्किन, दैट दे लाइक माय स्किन, एंड they ask me what you use the most, and this is the answer.
Yeah. And when in this fast-paced world, we are doing so many things simultaneously. We're running around, and सब काम कर रहे हैं हम लोग इतना ज़्यादा, and then there's no time. Sometimes people don't really get the time to invest in a good skincare, and or have that lavish way of taking care of your skin. ये भी लगाना है, वो भी लगाना है, ये भी लगाना है. So it's cut short that, and you can just use this product to help maintain your skin, keep it very well nourished and hydrated. So this one product works in this fast-paced world,
Yeah. So wow. So I'm loving the final look. It's so natural, and I actually don't feel like I put anything on my skin.
It looks very natural.
You can see the glow. Even your smoky eye is looking so pretty.
Thank you, Nagma.
So thank you so much, Chetna, for telling us many things about this product. If any questions, guys, please ask Chetna. She's right here. She'll answer them right now. कुछ भी क्वेश्चन हो ये प्रोडक्ट के बारे में कि कैसे लग, somebody just ask कि कैसे लगाते हैं, we'll just take them briefly कि इससे आप मुंह धोने के बाद लगा सकते हो. हार्ट रिचुअल जो चेतना ने हमें बताया, इट्स लाइक व्हेन यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ योर फेस एंड या
Then again from the forehead, you apply it all the way to the chin. Make sure अच्छे से आप प्रोडक्ट को वार्म करके आपके फिंगर्स में, और आप अच्छे से उसको फेस पे लगा रहे हो पूरा. एंड नेक मत भूलिए, नेक पे भी लगाना है पूरा अच्छे से, that your neck is also hydrated.
I'm definitely going to do this heart ritual. Like, मुझे पता ही था. Thank you so much, Chetna, for letting me know, because I guess this is going to be my new favorite routine, and I'm definitely going to include this in my Pretty Fix video too, because I feel
so happy to hear that.
It's not just that it looks amazing. It has some reasons. Exactly. ये दिन में भी लगा सकते हैं. दिन में भी लगा सकते हैं.
दिन में भी लगा सकते हैं आप. दिन में और रात में दोनों टाइम लगा सकते हैं.
So as Chetna told me, दिन में आपके जो बाहर आप जाते हो, pollution, UV rays या तो कुछ भी चीज जो आपकी स्किन को अफेक्ट करता है, इससे वो प्रोटेक्ट करता. एंड नाइट में जब आप सोते हो तो आपकी स्किन रिपेयर करने लगती है खुद को. दैट टाइम दिस प्रोडक्ट कम्स इन प्ले. तो प्लीज तो आपको अगर दिन में भी लगाना है, रात में लगाना है, दोनों लगा सकते हो. एंड दैट इज आई गेस द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट इट.
Yeah. And din mein, it's not, it's like you said, it's going to take care of your skin, but 8 hours of protection it will give you. And raat mein 72 hours of hydration also it will add. So, it's going to repair your skin in the night and protect for 8 hours against pollution, UV rays as well.
Like means मैं अगर रात में लगाए तो उसका अफेक्ट लाइक उसका जो वो होगा वो 2-3 दिन तक रहेगा, मतलब
72 hours tak rahega. So that like gives, you'll see, you'll wake up with like really amazing, beautiful skin.
Wow. I'm already in love with it. अभी ये जो न्यू आया है उससे भी मुझे प्यार हो रहा है, because I can see that the texture is almost the same, but the benefits, I guess, they are just increasing, and Estee Lauder never fails to surprise me with all the new benefits. And guys, कुछ question है तो जल्दी जल्दी बता दो, because I feel कि live stream ना अपने आप बंद हो जाती है when you have like a particular time set. फेस पे पिंपल होंगे तो कौन सा प्रोडक्ट यूज करना चाहिए? सो अगेन गाइस, सीरम बहुत लोग है ना स्किप कर देते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, दे डोंट एक्चुअली यूज सीरम. वो लोग फेस वॉश करके मे बी डायरेक्टली कुछ और क्रीम या कुछ लगाते हैं. तो उनको मैं बताना चाहूंगी, अगर आप काफी टाइम से स्किन इश्यूज फेस कर रहे हो तो पिंपल, एक्ने जो भी है, सीरम अगर आप ऐड करोगे आपके स्किन केयर रूटीन में, यू विल फाइंड a big difference on your skin. So yes, I feel that you should give it a try. आप ट्राई करो और मुझे प्लीज बताओ कि आप लोगों को कैसा लगा, है ना चेतना? So I'm looking forward to hear all the you can take a screenshot.
And the 7 ml is priced at $12.50.
Yes.
आप 7 ml try कर सकते हैं.
Don't worry. अगर और भी questions है, I'm gonna make an IGTV video about this whole session and I'm gonna post it on my Instagram. So IGTV में आपको almost जो भी चेतना ने points बताए हैं, I will try to cover them all so that आप जाके देख सकते हो IGTV का video मेरा. So yay, that's it for the day. Thank you so much, Chetna, for having, no, not for having, thank you so much for joining my live stream and giving
No,
so
thank
much.
you, Nagma. Thank you. It was super fun. बहुत मजा आया मुझे and it was very nice interacting with everybody. I think people love advanced night repair so much and सबको बहुत कुछ जानना है इसके बारे में, कैसे यूज करना है, कैसे कब लगाना है, इसके benefits क्या है. So हमने वो अच्छे से आज बताया and so I'm very happy that I was here with you to, I'm looking forward for more such fun lives. Thank you so much.
Same here. So that is it, guys. Bye. Take care. Have an amazing and healthy skin. Love you all. Thank you so much, Chetna, once again. I'll definitely
Thank you,
see you.
Nagma.
Okay.
Yeah. See you again, Nagma. Bye.
Bye.